Okay, so once you have your screw ready, you need to go ahead and make a handle. For that you can do something as simple as creating a cube and then editing it and stretching it out so it's a bit more rectangular, so you have something to grip. And then you're going to move it so it overlaps with the screw, just like that. So you can see a bit of the top poking out and a bit of the bottom poking out. And if you want, this is rather thick, so we could probably make it a bit thinner like that. There we go. And all you have to do is you go over to modifiers again, a little wrench icon, add modifier. You're going to want boolean. That's this one right here, third one down. And you want to change that from intersect to difference, and then use this little tool, this teardrop icon here. Click on that, and then select whatever your screw is. And it should bring the name of that screw object in right here. And if you want, you can go into wireframe and check to make sure that it's cut out, and it has. So we're going to go ahead and apply that modifier, and then we can drag this away, and you'll notice that there's now a screw-shaped hole cut from the rectangle. Now this is going to be a pretty tight fit if we try to print it just like that. So what I recommend doing is scaling it on the X and Y axis, but not the Z axis. If you scale it uniform like this, then the screw will no longer fit in the hole. So you have to make sure you hit S for scale, click the scroll wheel button, and move it just on one axis, and you want it to be exactly the same. So I recommend typing in numbers such as 1.15, enter, and then scaling it along the other axis, just like that, by clicking the scroll wheel after hitting S, and doing the same exact thing, 1.15, and that's with the numbers. You just type it in right there. There's no menu will pop up, nothing like that. You just, once you hit S and you click the axis, you just start typing numbers. So 1.15 means 1.15 times larger. So then you're just going to hit enter, and now it should still be perfectly circular here, and it looks good to me, but it'll be slightly larger on the diameter on the inside of the screw and the outside screw diameter. So that's basically ready to print. Obviously you can modify the shape a bit more to make it more ergonomic, anything you want.